everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, this channel is about teaching violin to the beginners and also playing song together. So today we're gonna play the Star Wars theme intro, and then at the end of this video you are making this sound. So let's get it started. I download this music from the musicnotes.com and we're gonna play from that. So let's clap and read the rhythm first. This music, first of all, it has just one F sharp and it's a 4/4. The tempo is 108 and it includes the triplets. So what is a triplet? Triplets is 3/8 note that they put a 3 on top, and you have to play the 3 notes in one beat. Ratata, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. It includes the half note that there are 2 beats. 1 2. It includes the quarter. It's 1 beat, and it has the 8th dotted note with 16. So what we're gonna do, we have to play the whole thing in one beat. Da da. Before you play the third beat, the second beat, you have to say the 16. Da 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 da, and it has a quarter dotted note that is 1/2 and a beat. Da da. So let's start from the beginning. I'm gonna turn on the metronome. That you know how you have to read and clap with the tempo. So I'm gonna put the metronome number on 4/4 and I put the tempo on 103. So the first two measures are rest. And then the third measure that we have to start, the first 3 beats are rest. So I'm gonna let the metronome count, and I have to start at the 4th beat. 2 3 4. 2 3 4. 1 2 3. D D D G D. C B A G D. C B A G D. C B C A. D D D G D. C B A G D. C B A G D. C B C A. D D E E C B A G G A B A E F D D E E C B A G D A A D E E C B A G E E C B A G, and then the second time you have to repeat from the repeat sign. So now we're gonna play with the violin. One, two, three. Let's play the theme now together. 1 2 3. take your violin and start to practice with the metronome.
So
Now let's play the theme together. So I'm gonna turn on a metronome. 1, 2, 3. So now let's take your violin and go start practicing.